13 shopping secrets Costco doesn't want you to know, allegedly. Put down the rotisserie chicken and let's save real money. Number 1 will change how you taste test. Here we go. 1. Samples are strategic, not free. Manufacturers pay for them to spark impulse buys, often at full price, not a discount. 2. Sale signs on Kirkland items are often just marketing. They're usually already cheaper. Many tags just move inventory, not deep discounts. 3. Price tag codes. 0.99, regular price. Plain and simple. 0.97 means clearance. If you want it, grab it. 0.88 usually signals local clearance deals. Store-specific score. See a tiny asterisk? That means it won't be restocked. 4. The best deals hide in the center. Loss leaders like toilet paper and rotisserie chicken live away from the flashy entrances. 5. Buy candy early for the holidays. Prices spike near big days. Shop about 8 weeks out. 6. The return policy is extremely generous. Most items anytime. Electronics get a 90-day window. 7. Costco gas saves big, often 20 to 40 cents per gallon. Top-tier quality. Expect lines at peak times. 8. Use the Costco app for hidden deals. Exclusive online pricing and alerts you won't see in store. 9. Coupons come in special booklets, not manufacturer coupons. Sometimes they stack during warehouse days events. 10. The Costco Anywhere Visa maximizes savings. 4% gas, 3% dining and travel, 2% at Costco, 1% everything else. 11. Warehouse days offer deeper discounts every 4 to 6 weeks. Details are online, in the app, or just ask staff. 12. No membership? Use a shop card a member buys for you. It works for gas and pharmacy too. 13. Anyone can use Costco's pharmacy. No membership required. Prices are often lower than big chains. Use these to spot real deals and make every Costco run count. Don't forget to like and subscribe.